What's up, guys? Rotoclaws is coming to town. He's bringing you apex seals and rotor housings and ball bearing turbos and turbo blankets and ECUs. He's bringing you all kinds of good stuff this Christmas. So you guys behave well so that you can get all your nice race car parts, you know. Gonna throw it all together and we'll take it out and we'll go for a cruise. And tonight we're actually going to a car meet called Second Saturday in the City. And so let's get on the road and go for a drive. Thanks, guys. What's up, man? All right, so we're at Second Saturday in the City, which is a car meet downtown Birmingham, and it's about like 32 degrees out here. But we're out here with a bunch of friends and we're chilling. What's up, man?
So over 80,000. Shut up.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, man? Nice car.
Thanks, man.
Dude, every day when I'm walking the platform.
I love MR2s. So this is it. We're in downtown Birmingham, South Side, and everybody meets here on the second Saturday of every month. So not a huge turnout tonight, probably because it's like balls cold out here, but it's fun to still come out and check out people's rides and stuff. So yeah, guys. What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
What's up?
Good to see you again.
How's your where's your car at, man?
Right over here.
Let's check it out,
actually,
man. Is it going good?
It's been doing pretty good, man. It's fine with traction, you know.
Is it fast as fuck, huh? You liking it?
It's pretty good, man. I gotta get a daggone filter.
Wow, man.
Turbo.
That looks beautiful.
It's doing good.
So what's the setup here? What's going on?
Got a Precision 58 31 turbo, opened up to.
I bet it's loud when you get on it.
Yeah.
Looks beautiful, man. The powder coating's awesome.
Yeah, the powder coated.
Look at that turbo.
I forgot, I think candy apple red or something like that.
So this is his first big build. We were talking about this, what, like a year ago?
About nine months ago, actually.
You got it all together and it's running, man. Congrats, man. Awesome.
9 months. This guy daggone four rotor, this is what he calls this to be.
Man, I'm
super.
so happy, man. I'm glad you got it running, dude.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
So how's it feel?
Feels good.
Scary.
Yeah, it's scary. It's a lot of torque still.
You got new tires though too, huh?
Yeah.
You got new wheels. You have the cable. It's like,
has one. Yeah.
for a GoPro? Yeah. Really? Dope. Yeah, that'd be awesome.
You're good, Alan. You did good, Alan. You didn't see from the inside, but you had a lot of smoke.
Thanks. So this is Snyder. It's got a badass FD.
Cold.
And it's cold. So this thing runs like a dragon, man. It's fucking awesome. Massive turbo. Grant, what's up with the setup here?
So 67mm Garrett turbo, street port, all the goodies. Water meth, gonna try to make 550, 600 here. 25 plus pounds of boost.
What intercooler you got?
Got the Pexi intercooler. And
What kind of coils are you running?
AEM smart coils.
What kind of ECU you got?
Haltech Elite 1500.
Oh,
yeah. Haltech Life. All the engine protection, all the bells and whistles. Keep that shit monitored and safe.
Let's see the interior. You gonna let me get a video of this car soon, Grant?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll let you drive it if you can reach the pedals.
Oh, I need some light in here. Shoot. I love this wing on the back here.
God, this thing sounds so good.